Hello and welcome. Now if you clicked on this video, you are most likely a creator on a platform such as OnlyFans, FanView as an AI creator or a normal creator, or a different platform like this. These all apply to all of the above that I just mentioned, and of course, any subscription platform. So if you are on these platforms, you're probably wondering how people seem to just miraculously make money and generate cash, seemingly for no reason but pure luck. However, there are probably a few tips that you are missing when it comes to your model or creator or yourself. Now I'm going to cover 3 things that you may be missing if you're not generating the money that you would like to be generating. If you're stuck at $0 or near to $0, this video will help you to start making money. Now, reason number 1 is that your funnel does not look good. Now, you're probably thinking, what is a funnel? Now, a funnel is essentially the steps that a customer will have to take to land on your OnlyFans or FanView or subscription platform. This can include social media pages, your link tree, and finally, your landing page of your OnlyFans. However, a funnel will be the process that customers take to be able to get to your page. So let's start with social media. So what makes a good social media page? Number 1 is your profile picture. Who actually are you? You need to show your face, or at least what you're about. Even if you're a faceless creator, the profile picture will tell a lot about a person, whether they're attractive to the customer, whether they want to follow you, or whether they are just going to scroll past and ignore you. Now, also your name. If you are, a real creator, you may want to go with your real name, but you also may not want to do that for a few reasons. Number 1, you may want to stay anonymous. You may want to use a stage name, or if you're using AI, make a name that's sensible. So what I mean by a sensible name, even if you're a real creator and your name is something Irish, for example, so you get those weird spellings to us English people, Siobhan, for example, you may want to create a fake name so that it makes you more accessible, so that people can actually talk about you, they know your name, all that kind of stuff. If they don't know how to pronounce your name, they're most likely not going to be as interested. Same goes for if you're creating an AI creator. Do not just go down the path of making some complex, weird name to the norm. It's not necessary. It's going to make your funnel look a lot worse. Now, your bio. The most important thing about your bio is that it has the link in it. Not a direct link, that will get you banned on most social media platforms. A link tree or a beacons link or any kind of encryption service that you can use to be able to hide that link. Now, what you don't want to do on these links is have fucking 30 other links to different pages. If you have an OnlyFans, put that at the top, and maybe put, your TikTok page or your Instagram page as well as that. In reality, what's going to increase sales the most is having that as the only option for them to go to. Do not have a buy me a coffee link, your Twitter page, your fucking Pornhub link. Absolutely pointless. Just have that link in your bio. But also in your actual bio on the social media platform, you're going to want to explain a little bit about yourself, where you're from, your age, what you're into, all that kind of stuff. And then obviously a call to action to get them to click on the link below. For example, come chat to me here with a big arrow emoji. Customers are stupid. If you don't direct them directly to where they need to go, they probably won't find it because they are that fucking retarded. So some pro tips for content within social media. You're going to want to invest in a good phone or camera. Now, this makes all the difference, believe it or not. If you're recording on some shitty Android phone and other creators aren't, they're going to want the higher quality content. They're going to go to another creator, and it's not hard to find them nowadays, is it? Number 2 is some good lighting. Lighting can also make all the difference. There's certain things that customers may want to be able to see. Having good lighting will let them be able to see that. Now, reason 2, your sub price is just wrong. Yes, there is no right and wrong answer, but let's say your subscription price is more than Netflix, which is about, $12 to $15. If it's more than Netflix, they're probably not going to buy it. Do not make your price ridiculously high. It's absolutely pointless, in all honesty. The only people that are going to pay high prices for subscriptions are very loyal customers. And if you're starting from 0, you don't have any loyal customers. Set it at a reasonable price for them. At the same time, you don't want to devalue yourself. You don't want to set a price at $2 or $3. That is ridiculous. Do not do that either. But somewhere, $5 to $10 is absolutely fine, and it's enough for customers to afford, but also not to devalue yourself. As well as this, having a very high sub price, even if someone did subscribe, will bring very high expectations. They are most likely, if they're paying $30 for a subscription, not going to want to pay for extra content on top of that, because they're going to think that everything's all included, blah, 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 where realistically you want to get them a message so that you can then charge them up the arse for content in DMs. However, on that same point, if you have a low price, people probably won't even bother subscribing because they think this page is just shit, packed in the DMs, not getting any attention, blah, 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 all that kind of stuff. So think very carefully about your sub price. Now, reason 3 is that you're not giving people a good enough reason to subscribe. The amount of creators that there are nowadays, the amount of saturation that is in the creator market is crazy. What you need to do is differentiate yourself from other creators. There are probably more attractive creators. There are probably better creators at making content. There are creators with massive production teams, management teams, all that kind of stuff. You need to beat them in a different way. You need to have this personality that no one else has and no one else can replicate. That is key. This applies to AI creators as well. Just because you're fucking AI model has to be some boring, plain old Jane who's just a girl. Realistically, they can have a personality too. You can make this very clear on Instagram stories, TikToks, YouTube, all that kind of stuff. TikTok and YouTube are absolutely huge, especially for short form content. TikToks, you can also go live. If you are a real creator, going live will help you out 1,000,000%. It's so good. If you're also AI, going live can also help you out. It's a little bit more complex, but you can do it. YouTube is absolutely key as well. Now, real creator, super easy to turn on the camera, start chatting shit. Simples. They'll like you for your personality. They'll start to enjoy your content. Also, if you're an AI creator, you can make videos, AI videos of your model lip syncing, of your model talking with AI voice, all that kind of stuff. This is not out of our reach nowadays in 2025. We actually do have the technology available to be able to do this. Also collaborating with other creators, sharing a fan base. If someone subscribes to this creator, they may want to subscribe to one of their friends. Or if they're just following that creator and they don't want to subscribe, but they are open to subscribing, if you do a collaboration with them on socials, they may want to subscribe. Plus, it's always good to get more followers, get more activity on your page so that you can drag more organic pull into your account. So, a little summary. Number 1, good socials. Number 2, you need the right sub price. And number 3, you need a very good personality. Not just a good personality, but one that's individual to yourself and to your creator. So, that is the end of that. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out the channel. I have tons and tons of stuff, especially on AI creators. So if you are interested in that kind of thing, go check that out on the channel. Now, I also have a course. This will teach you everything in chronological order, how to set up an AI model, how to market them on social media, and also how to make money from them, of course. So check that out in the description, check out the channel, and see you in the next one.